और आज हमें ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं अरसलान। ही मस्ट बी ज्वाइनिंग इन।
Okay, all good.
Yeah, all good. Assalamu alaikum Arsalan, how are you?
Walaikum assalam. I am good. Thank you for asking. How about you, Rida?
I'm good. Am I audible?
You are audible. Yes. Am I?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay.
Arsalan, before we were about to start, I gave a little bit of introduction about me. I want to know about you. I want people to know about you.
Okay. As you all know, my name is Arsalan and I am from Global University Systems, GUS, and I am the Business Development Manager for Herzing University and LIM College. Both are based in the US. Herzing is in Atlanta, Georgia, and LIM College is in New York City. And today I am here at your disposal, taking care of all your queries, all the confusions and concerns that the students have related to studying in the US. And we'll try to take it all one by one so that there remains no confusion for all your followers by the end of the live telecast.
Just to clarify the audience who will be watching this live telecast, हम लोग USA के लिए awareness इस time दे रहे हैं. जो students पढ़ने जाना चाह रहे हैं बाहर for international studies USA के लिए, उनके लिए basically ये live Facebook अभी इस time हम लोग live कर रहे हैं. So Arsalan, tell me about the university's location one by one. First LIM and then Herzing.
Okay, Herzing University is in Atlanta, Georgia. It's not exactly a very prime location, लेकिन because it's not a prime location, इसकी cost of living that is very reasonable, and also it's not that मतलब it's not an odd location. It has third most Fortune 500 companies available in Atlanta, Georgia, and also by 2040 there are 1.9 million jobs that forecasted to be created. So it's basically it is in the neighborhood of Florida, Alabama, as well as Carolina. So it's kind of like in the middle of these states. And New York, though, as you all know, is the center of the world. It's the center of the city as well. Sorry, it's the center of the US as well. So both of them are considered to be prime locations when it comes to study.
Yeah. न्यूयॉर्क तो ऑब्वियसली बहुत प्राइम लोकेशन है. A lot of students come up and say कि हमें न्यूयॉर्क जाना है, और न्यूयॉर्क के लिए आई बिलीव कि जो भी अप्लाई करना चाह रहा है वो डेफिनेटली परस्यू कर सकता है विद राइजम कंसल्टेंट्स. आप मुझे एंड दे कैन अप्लाई टू हर्जिंग और LIM व्हाटसोएवर. अच्छा, मुझे एडमिशन रिक्वायरमेंट्स बताएं फॉर पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट एंड अंडर ग्रेजुएट वन बाय वन फॉर LIM एंड हर्जिंग.
Okay, we have very basic requirements. As such, कोई hard and fast requirement नहीं है. So for UG, we accept 50% in UG. It doesn't matter. अगर आपका intermediate है तो 50%. If it's A levels या IB या कोई भी और other qualification अगर आपने की हुई है तो we need all 50% or all pass grades. So when it comes to A levels, we can accept all C's as well. So no issues as such. And other than that, PG के लिए we accept 2.5 CGPA or above for LIM college, 2.3 CGPA or above for Herzing University, which is again very basic. और जितने भी popular language proficiency tests in Pakistan हैं, we accept all of them. Be it IELTS, TOEFL, PT, and Duolingo, we accept all four of them. Duolingo being the most reliable kind of test because it's easy and it's cost efficient, and you can also do it in a couple of days, or you can also get the results in 2 days or 3 days. So that is why we recommend, if a student is not very confident with IELTS, we can recommend them to take Duolingo, because both of our brands accept Duolingo.
Okay, so do we accept credit transfers as well?
No, from Pakistan as of now, no. US से अगर कोई स्टूडेंट किसी और यूनिवर्सिटी से ट्रांसफर करना चाहते हैं तो दे कैन डेफिनेटली डू इट, लेकिन पाकिस्तान से एज ऑफ नाउ वी आर नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग क्रेडिट ट्रांसफर्स, बिकॉज जो क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन है दैट इज वे टू डिफरेंट. ठीक है, अगर आप अगर आप इवेल्युएशन करते हैं अब पाकिस्तानी डिग्री की बेस्ड ऑन द US जो इंटरनल उनकी ग्रेडिंग क्राइटेरिया, उस पर अगर आप इवेल्युएट करें तो इट्स नॉट द सेम एट ऑल. ठीक है, अगर लेट्स से किसी स्टूडेंट का पाकिस्तान में 3.2 CGPA है तो इवेल्युएशन के बाद इट मे कम आउट टू बी 2.2 और 2.1. हमारे पास इंस्टेंसेस हैं कि ऐसा होता है. तो बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दिस वी कैन नॉट ऑफर क्रेडिट ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स इन पाकिस्तान.
या आई डू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो कोर्स इवैल्यूएशन के ऊपर पता लगता है कि ये इससे मैच करता है या नहीं करता, उसी के बाद ही आपको क्रेडिट ट्रांसफर आप करवा सकते हैं.
Exactly.
So what educate departments are we looking like? What courses are available in both of the universities?
Okay, LIM is basically a business school, लेकिन it specializes in fashion. So it's a very niche kind of market. लेकिन since it's a very niche market, since it's in the New York City and it's expensive, LIM is very good when it comes to visa ratio. लेकिन it primarily looks after business. So we have BBA, we have MBA, we have BPS. BPS is Bachelor's in Professional Studies, but all specialization in fashion. We recently have launched our new MBA program, but it's in luxury brand management. So it's like management of things, but all related to fashion. So for example, we have a bachelor's program, which is Global Fashion Supply Chain Management. It's exactly like supply chain management, but in fashion. So how to manage supply chain management of, how to manage basically supply chain of fashion. Okay? So it's basically a business school that takes care of fashion related programs, and Harsing is kind of institute that takes care of IT related programs. So we have BS IT. We also have recently introduced BS Cybersecurity program, and also MBA program हम offer करते हैं. So it's kind of like a mixed kind of situation. We offer business programs as well as IT programs, both for UG as well as PG. And if you come to us through Rhizome Consultant, अगर आप Rhizome के through हमारे पास आएंगे, तो we offer $10,000 scholarship, and we also offer waived off application fee. So no application fee if you come to us through Rhizome Consultants. No application fee at all.
Thank you so much. MBA के लिए मुझे आप एक बात बताओ. Do people need an experience?
Not as such. देखें, अगर आपका गैप है तो it has to have relevant work experience. अगर आपका गैप ज्यादा है, let's say 5 years 6 years है, तो अगर वो justifiable है, then that's okay. लेकिन अगर आपका गैप नहीं है और you are fresh graduate, तो फिर we don't need any work experience. You can directly apply, no issues at all.
And also for undergraduate, intermediate या A levels के बाद कितना gap acceptable है?
We accept 5 years gap, but we do not recommend this much gap क्योंकि visa compliance का फिर issue आता है. So what we recommend is कि if you want to apply after UG, not even in our branch, आप किसी भी university में अगर apply करना चाहते हैं for UG after intermediate या A levels, तो your gap should not exceed more than 2 years. ठीक है? क्योंकि वीजा ऑफिसर को एक्सप्लेन करना विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि यार वेयर वर यू फॉर 5 years, 5 साल बाद अब दोबारा क्यों अपनी एजुकेशन रीस्टार्ट करना चाहते. ऑलवेज रिकमेंडेड दैट योर गैप शुड नॉट एक्सीड मोर देन 2 years if you want to apply a UG program.
Just to add on for the students who are watching this Facebook live, who will be watching it further on, CV बहुत ही competitive होनी चाहिए जब आपका undergraduate के बाद का gap होता है. Personal essay बहुत ही बेहतरीन बना होना चाहिए, explaining what you have been doing, और आप embassy के अंदर explain कर सकें कि वो gap किस लिए आया. 5 years obviously recommended नहीं है. 3 to 4 years का gap होता है, वो फिर भी आप justify in the interview कर सकते हैं. Do we need a portfolio for getting into fashion programs?
No portfolio required as such. You just need to write a personal statement and that should be okay. No portfolio required, because for UG we do not need any interview, but for PG program we have our own interview, which is basically based on KYP, know your product. ठीक है? So if you know your product, then that should be okay. No portfolio required.
So adding on to it, Rhizome Consultants do facilitate you and assist you with all your interview preparations. Either this interview will be done by the university or either it will be done via embassy. हम दोनों ही चीजों के अंदर completely support करते हैं और आपके बहुत सारे interview sessions होते हैं. अब मुझे ये बता दें fee structure for LIM undergraduate, postgraduate and Harsing undergraduate and postgraduate.
Okay, so starting off from LIM is, since you know it's in New York City, it's a little bit expensive. तो इनका जो PG का fee structure है, that is around 30,000 USD, and we offer 5,000 USD scholarship. अगर आप Rhizome Consultant के through हमारे पास apply करते हैं, तो we offer 5,000 USD scholarship. Its total fee for 1 year is 25,000 USD for PG. And one more advantage of applying to LIM College PG program is it offers only 1 year master's program. So you can complete your master's in 1 year, which will be 25,000 USD per year. And अगर आप UG program की fee देखेंगे तो it's a little bit on the higher side. It's around 28 to 30,000 USD for the first year, and UG program is 4 year, right? And Harsing के लिए, Harsing is very very cost efficient. अगर आप देखें 15 to 16,000 USD per year इनकी fee है, और this is the fee after the scholarship. अगर आप Rhizome के through हमारे पास आएंगे तो we offer $10,000 scholarship for every student coming to us through Rhizome, and जो फी होगी आफ्टर स्कॉलरशिप फॉर यूजी, इट विल बी 15 to 16,000 USD पर ईयर. or for PG it will be around 12 to 13,000 USD per year, which means around 6 to 6,500 USD per year, which is per semester, which is very very reasonable considering the US market. आपको इतना reasonable MBA there is hardly any location जहाँ पे मिलेगा, considering आपकी living cost will be very reasonable at Atlanta, Georgia. ठीक है,
बिल्कुल ठीक है। मुझे एक और क्वेश्चन पूछना था, वो ये कि गैप का आपने बता दिया, स्कॉलरशिप्स अवेलेबल हैं, एवरीथिंग इज देयर। मुझे बताएं कि ऑफर लेटर आने में कितना टाइम लग जाएगा अगर कोई स्टूडेंट अप्लाई करता है अप्रोक्सीमेटली?
ओके, यूजुअली इट टेक्स अराउंड 3 to 5 वीक्स, जिसमें आपको I-20 इशू हो जाता है। और देयर आर इंस्टेंसेस, अब ऑब्वियसली इट्स नॉट अ रूल ऑफ थंब, लेकिन देयर आर इंस्टेंसेस वेयर वी हैव गॉटन I-20 इन a week, right? Lekin it's not a specific rule, so you always keep in mind that it might take 3 to 5 weeks for your I-20 to be issued if you have everything ready, both for LIM as well as Harzing.
How many intakes are available?
All 3 intakes, all programs are available in all 3 intakes in Harzing University. January, May and September we offer all 3 intakes. All programs are being offered in all 3 intakes. और अगर आप LIM का देखेंगे तो we only offer 2 intakes, January as well as September. Currently we are recruiting. Sorry, please go ahead.
I-20 का क्या डिपॉजिट होगा?
Okay, for both of our brands, we do not need any I-20 deposit. University को you need to pay first thing once you get your visa approved. उससे पहले you don't need to pay anything. आपको कोई expedited I-20 fee नहीं देनी है, I-20 deposit नहीं देना है. You don't need to pay any application fee. So first thing you need to pay to the university is once you get your visa approved. उससे पहले you don't need to pay anything. And also deposit is 5,000 USD for Harzing and 6,500 USD for LIM college.
perfect. So that's और अगर कोई फी पे नहीं करता या कुछ, तो आपको इसके ऊपर रिस्ट्रिक्शन है या कुछ आप उसको करते हैं कि उसको चेक रखते हैं कि हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू बी?
जी बिल्कुल, डेफिनेटली कंसिडरिंग द करंट सिचुएशन स्क्रूटनी बहुत ज्यादा है, तो व्हाट वी डू इज कि अगर आप 7 डेज में वीजा आपका स्टैंप होके आने के बाद 7 डेज में अगर आप फी पे नहीं करते तो वी कैंसिल योर I-20, यू कैन नॉट ट्रैवल। ठीक है, अगर आपके पास I-20 ही नहीं है तो यू कैन नॉट ट्रैवल और आपको एयरपोर्ट से वापस भेज देंगे, यूएस में एंटर नहीं होने देंगे। ठीक है, दिस इज व्हाट वी एक्चुअली ट्राई टू डू टू लिमिट these people जो एडमिशन लेके they don't go या वीजा आने के बाद they switch university, so this is what we do.
ओके, सो उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी एक बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ है जो यूएसए में किसी कम्युनिटी कॉलेज जाते हैं या वो जाते हैं तो एकदम सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं, अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर पाते। वो अगर स्विच करना चाहते हैं टू एनी यूनिवर्सिटी, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट राइजम कंसल्टेंट, यू कैन गेट योर ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम दैट यूनिवर्सिटी टू दिस वन एज वेल। दूसरी बात ये कि दनियाल हसन, आपका मैसेज आया हुआ है, वी डू deal in Cyprus as well. You have to contact our team which is working, और आपको साइप्रस के बारे में वो सारी डिटेल्स दे देंगे। ठीक है, सो अरसलान, आई बिलीव कि बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोग कवर अप कर चुके हुए हैं। People are going to follow up with this Facebook Live as well. They're going to watch it whenever they wanted to. Contact करेंगे तो as such as जिस तरह हमें queries आती जाएंगी, we can definitely share it with you. You are on board, so we can continue the process with you definitely.
बिल्कुल जी, definitely. And one last thing that I would like to add, अगर if a student is married and they want to apply with their spouse, we also cater such cases. और Harzing में you can apply simultaneously. So you apply, for example, if you want to apply for your student visa, आप साथ में अपने spouse का apply कर सकते हैं, and if it gets approved, you can take your spouse along with you to the US. And also, if you have kids, you can also apply for your kids as well, right?
This is for postgrad or undergrad?
Both, for both of it.
Okay. So that's a great news. Everyone who's going to watch it, everyone who's watching it, there's so many queries that come up to us, especially for UK के dependent के साथ जाना है. So if you're getting an opportunity to go with your dependents, take them with you to USA.
Yeah.
You can apply through both of these universities, either LIM or either Harzing, for both undergraduate and postgraduate, which is an extremely amazing opportunity to go up to. तो उसके लिए बैंक स्टेटमेंट तो हमें अलग से ही सारे सबकी दिखानी पड़ेगी. That's correct.
This is correct. Yes, Harzing में we need 30,000